Let's add some products to your Shopify store. To do this, we'll go back to our dashboard. So let's save our changes and exit the store editor. Then let's go to Products on the left-hand side. If you're dropshipping your products from places like AliExpress or Printify, you can simply import your products directly from those platforms. But if you're selling your own products, go ahead and click on Add Product. Here we can enter all the important details, like our product name and a short description. If you need some help with generating a good product description, you should try using ChatGPT. Just give it some information about your product and brand, and then paste in the description here. Then we'll begin uploading our product photos. And your product photos are arguably the most important part of your product page, so be sure to use high-quality images that show your product in the best light. Here we can set the pricing for this product. Then if you want to use Shopify to track your inventory, make sure to set the quantities you currently have in stock. If you have multiple colors or sizes for your product, you can set them up down here under Variants. Once everything is filled out, click on Save to add this product to your store. Now, you can simply repeat this process for the rest of your products. As you can see off camera, I've gone ahead and added in a couple more products to my store.